Kalimantan forest. Like the oldest breadth of tropical forest, a world of lush greenery, and standing almost unchanged for more than a century, with an age of around 130 to 140 million years, Kalimantan forest is much older than the Amazon forest, which is estimated to be around 55 million years old. That is why the Kalimantan forest is called the lungs of the world. So, Kalimantan forest is an ancient heart that has witnessed the changes of various eras. With an area reaching tens of millions of hectares stretching across 3 countries, namely, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Brunei Darussalam. This forest is the epicenter of biodiversity. In it lives around 15,000 plants with more than 6,000 of them, not found anywhere else in the world. This forest is also a haven for 222 mammal species. With 44 of them are endemic, 420 bird species of which 37 are also endemic, plus hundreds of species of reptiles, amphibians and fish that inhabit its dark tea-colored rivers. Entering the Kalimantan forest, like entering a multi-story building with a ceiling layered vertical structure, this is the result of eternal competition for the light of the sun. The top layer is inhabited by giant trees as high as 70 meters, towering mightily like living towers that seem to be fighting to touch the sky. The tops of these trees are nesting places for various large birds, such as eagles or hornbills, both of which require a wide view to find prey or territory. On the second layer there is what is called a canopy, a thick and layered green roof formed from the crowns of mature trees that are 30 to 40 meters high. The canopy is the center of activity because of the abundant sunlight, as well as flowers, fruits, and leaves. The canopy is home to most of the forest animals in this second layer, the orangutan bikuntan. Monkeys, squirrels, and most birds spend most of their lives in the forest. Below the canopy, just above the forest floor, is what is called the understory. This layer is filled with shrubs and young trees that have adapted to living in low-light conditions. This is where many insects, amphibians, and reptiles live their lives, waiting for opportunities such as the fall of large trees to get a glimmer of light and grow taller. Then the bottom layer is the forest floor. This is a dark world and only receives about 1 to 2% of the sunlight. Those who manage to penetrate the canopy of life in this layer are dominated by the decaying thick layer of leaf litter, twigs and fallen trees, which become homes for millions of fungi, bacteria, insects, and invertebrates. They are the forest's primary recyclers, breaking down organic matter into essential nutrients that are reabsorbed by tree roots. This is where strange flowers like the rafflesia live their lives. This layered structure creates thousands of different ecological niches, allowing countless species to coexist without direct competition, ultimately fostering extraordinary biodiversity in each layer of vegetation. Having their respective roles, wide leaves absorb light, large roots hold the soil from erosion, and tree trunks become traffic routes for arboreal animals. Even fungi and decomposing organisms work day and night recycling life in silence. Among all the inhabitants of the Kalimantan forest, there is no one more iconic than the orangutan, the largest ape in Asia and the only one living outside Africa. They are the largest arboreal mammals or tree dwellers in the world. Their entire anatomy is designed for a graceful life. At the top of the tree, their long, strong arms can reach a span of more than 2 meters. Functioning as a primary means of swinging from branch to branch in a movement known as brachiation, Their long, hook-like fingers and toes provide a strong grip on tree branches. Unlike the great apes of Africa, which often spend time on the ground, adult orangutans, especially females, almost never descend to the floor. The dark, canopy forests are their world where they forage, sleep, mate, and raise their young. Orangutans, unlike other great apes, live in large, social groups. They tend to lead semi-solitary lives, with dominant adult males recognizable by their broad cheek pads and large throat pouches. Typically solitary, they roam vast territories and use deep, echoing long-distance calls to mark their presence and attract females. At the heart of orangutan society is the incredibly strong bond between mother and child. A baby orangutan will remain with its mother for 6 to 8 years, the longest period of care of any non-human primate. During this time, the mother teaches the child everything it needs to survive, from how to recognize hundreds of edible fruits to building a sturdy nest each night, finding water in tree hollows, and navigating the complex canopy. This relationship is crucial, because the reproduction rate of the orangutan is very slow, where a female will only give birth to one child every 8 years. The charisma of the orangutan usually includes its crucial role. The orangutan is a frugivore or fruit eater. Their favorite foods include wild fruits such as durian, which only exists in the forests of Southeast Asia, rambutan, lychee, and various types of figs with a large area to see the fruit. They play a vital role as seed dispersers when the orangutan eats fruit. Small seeds will be swallowed through and the maintenance system without being damaged. The orangutan will then move far from the parent tree before removing the seeds along with their droppings. That's a piece of the story about the forests of Kalimantan, Indonesia, and the various animals in the forests of Kalimantan, Indonesia, Southeast Asia.